Assalamu alaikum friends. Today in this video we will be seeing how to make otadai, which is you have seen in the last Eid vlog. So let's see how to make this. But before that, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, please make sure to like this button and subscribe for more videos. So if you haven't seen the Eid vlog, please check in the description below. Welcoming you all to my channel, Hotpot Food. So now let's get into the preparation. Here I have taken 1 cup idli rice soaked for 4 hours. In a blender, add 2 eggs and blend the soaked rice as well. Here we have used idli rice, which will be very soft. Idli rice is readily available in every market where you see. Blend it smoothly and now you can pour this in a bowl. Add 1/3 cup of water and mix them well. Here I haven't used soda salt, which is we use for appam, but here I haven't used. It was fluffy for me enough. If you want to add, you can add the soda, a pinch of it, and now you can add a pinch of salt. Make sure the ratio of the rice batter, it should not be more thick or too watery. You can see the consistency of it. To get fluffy, beat the batter with the whisk so it will be so fluffy and soft. So this is a main tool for the otadai, which is called as mud plate, which is available in all markets, supermarkets. This I have bought from India. If you want to know the product details, check in the description below. Now the mud plate is very hot. Now you can pour the batter as how you make for the dosa. So see how it is so soft and fluffy. When it gets cooked, it will be, the edges will be coming out. That time you can take this off. Serve this hot with any curry like chicken, mutton, beef, or even vegetable or with vegetable kurma. Hope you like this recipe. Please try this at your home and tell me the comments in the comments section. If you want to know how to make chicken curry, it's there in our channel. Check out in the description below. Thanks for watching.